we are here. We have raised concerns through learned colleagues, Ekida Mungai, and learned colleague Mr. Gachagua, that we now want to take that as an issue. My colleagues have rightfully submitted that matter requires a substantive application. Rightly, we agree with them fully. But you'll agree with me that if you are improperly constituted, then you cannot make one more step. Is therefore in that request that my Lord Judge Mrima asked, how do we move forward? I also had my learned mentor, Professor Gidu again ask, how do we move in an orderly manner? I'm suggesting let that substantive application be placed before you. Being as preliminary as it appears on the face of it, give back-to-back timelines on the compliance by the parties. Let the parties come and now formally address you on that question. Let us have a determination on that question. I humbly plead. For too long. Thank you.
Allow me, my lords and my lady, to address the issue of disclosure, which is actually being attributed to Mr. Justice Murima. And sometimes it's good to tell the truth, because the issue of how this bench was empaneled has not come to light just now. The actually view of it, and this, and they or should have, they would have found out the letter which was written this morning, which we have, it was received on that, it was written on the 20th of October, as actually one pertinent question is posing whether the file was actually taken to the Chief Justice and at what time. So they are actually knowing something regarding that we are dealing with constitutional functions under Article 165.4, which means they were saying only the Chief Justice can constitute this bench. So they actually knew how the bench was constituted, and possibly the only reason we should be given is why the file was taken to DCJ, possibly because of the absence of the Chief Justice. They will have to take themselves to why we have the Chief Justice being the head of the judiciary and the Deputy Chief Justice being the deputy head of the judiciary. In the absence, that's what the Constitution provides. In the absence of the Chief Justice, it is the Deputy Chief Justice who is supposed to do administrative work, which, and here, let's not filibuster what we were told. But as we do in the Parliament, you go around in circles to waste time so that the motion possibly is defeated by a fluxion of time, which is what they're trying to do. The truth is this: it is well known in practice that the court's administrative functions can be done at any time of the day, including this bench can sit up to midnight without anybody questioning. So the issue of when the Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice sat does not arise. As to what happened on Saturday, again, this is purely administrative.
For the Speaker of the Senate, may we be heard? My Lord, allow me to assist the court. And my Lord, listening to the speech, not an application made by my colleagues, the petitioner side, my Lord, I just want to state that the Deputy President filed his petition on Friday. And my Lord, on the same day, he got conservatory orders. My Lord, he accessed justice in accordance with the framework in Article 48 of the Constitution. But my Lord, justice cuts both ways. My Lord, the respondents on the same day filed an application to set aside those conservatory orders. My Lord, properly constituted, this court has issued directions that those applications be heard today. My Lord, under the Mutunga rules, there is a fundamental doctrine which we are all missing. The doctrine of timely resolution of such kind of disputes, especially disputes that are of immense public interest. So, my Lord, if you look at the application which has been made, was made by the petitioners, but you will see that they want to split hairs. But the Constitution expressly provides that the Chief Justice shall appoint a bench to sit on matters which raise substantial questions of law. But my Lord, at the same time, that Constitution which requires to be read conjunctively says the Deputy Chief Justice shall deputize the Chief Justice. So my Lord, what is the fuss about it? So my Lord, my request is that the application, this speech by the petitioners is solely meant to delay the business of the day. And my Lord, I request in public interest, my Lord, I request in public interest that you give the directions. We proceed with the application. We are here to respond the application for conservatory orders. And my Lord, you also hear our application to set aside the conservatory orders. My Lord, that will make juridical sense and promote public interest. Thank you.
My Lord, if I may just add, this court has the control of legal proceedings. And this is a very weighty matter. It concerns the Deputy President of this country. I will not allow everybody to speak, because if everybody is going to speak, we are going to head nowhere. A challenge has been posed on the validity of this bench to sit. This is the direction we are making. The application challenging the validity of this court to sit must be filed within 1 hour and responded to within 1 hour. We will come at 2 to listen to that application.
Hapo kulikuwa ni mahakamani Milimani, ambapo hatma ya Gachagua kotini ilikuwa inasikilizwa, na bila shaka imekuwa ni muda wa taifa kuweza kujijuza mawili matatu kuhusu masuala ya kisheria. Kufikia sasa ni kwamba Jaji Eric Ogolla, ambaye ni miongoni mwa majaji wengine wawili wa jopo lililoteuliwa siku ya Jumamosi kuweza kusikiliza kesi hii, ameomba mahakama ichukue muda wa masaa mawili hivi waweze kusemezana na kujua itakuwaje. Hii ni baada ya mawakili wa naibu rais aliyeng'atuliwa bungeni Rigathi Gachagua kuweza kutoa mwongozo kwamba jopo hili halipo ama liliweza kuletwa pamoja visivyo ama kinyume cha sheria, wakisema kazi hiyo ni ya jaji mkuu na kwamba jopo hilo liletwa kwa pamoja na naibu wa jaji mkuu. Hivi basi, mtazamaji wangu, ni kusema hata kesi ya naibu rais Rigathi Gachagua aliyebanduliwa kupitia bunge kuu na lile la seneti bado haijaanza kusikizwa. Kikuu zaidi ambazo kimeweza kudhihirika hapo Milimani ni mawakili wa Rigathi Gachagua kuweza kuomba koti hilo kwamba majaji Eric Ogolla, Anthony Mrima na Daktari Fred Mugambi Konrathi wako kazini visivyo. Sasa moja kwa moja tuseme na wageni wangu, tutaanza na wewe Kathy. Mtizamo wako, umeona mambo ambayo yameelekea kotini. Ogolla amesema tujipe muda kidogo, masaa mawili hivi. Ni kipi kimekushtoma, kimekufurahisha?
Niseme kwanza, mimi mwenyewe nimejifunza mengi kutokana na tukio la leo. Lakini ni mchakato tu, na ni ile hali ya mawakili kutoka pande zote kuweza kujadiliana ama kuweza kuleta kesi yao mbele ya mahakama na pia kupeana maoni yao na pia kuuliza maswali ambayo kwangu mimi naona ilikuwa tu sawa. Lakini pia nimeona kama tungeendelea vile kila wakili wa pande hii na pande nyingine kuwa anauliza maswali kiasi cha yale maswali ambayo tumeona yakiwa yakitoka kwa mawakili wa aliyekuwa naibu wa rais, basi tungekuwa na siku mzima labda ya kuuliza maswali. Nimefurahishwa sana na jaji mkuu na jaji mmoja Ogolla ambaye ameweza kupeana mwelekeo sasa kuwa wataenda wajadiliane na pia watarudi sasa ndio wapatiane mwelekeo